Guys, you know I'm so famous and I have a lot of videos. Wait,
what?
guys, you know I'm so famous and I have a lot of unboxing videos and I need a lot of space for my data. So that's why I decided to get my own personal cloud drive. Let's open it. We got a UGREEN network drive. Here we got a UGREEN network drive. No, again.
Stop it. Get some help.
One eternity later.
We got a UGREEN network drive. Here we got a manual and warranty card. And here we have the accessories. And here we got the UGREEN network drive. I'm so clever, I don't need instructions. Power supply. This is the power cable. This is the screwdriver. The screws. This is the data cable. One is the keys. These are the keys to change the hard drive. Let's install the drive. This is the hard drive. Let's open it.
Whoa! Oh no!
How to install the hard drive. And it's all done.